Hi there, and welcome to this Holistics Guide video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join two tables from different databases or data sources. For example, let's say you have a MySQL database or even a MongoDB database and you want to write a query together with data inside your PostgreSQL database. Now, Holistics lets you do this by moving data from your connected SQL, NoSQL database, or other different data sources into your reporting database or data warehouse. What this also means is that because Holistics works with your database, we don't store any of your data, so your data security and privacy is assured. So are you ready? Let's go! In our previous videos, we've shown you how to connect your databases to Holistics by providing your database details and by using the various connection methods. Once you've done this, you're ready to connect your other databases and data sources to Holistics to move tables of data you'll need to run your reporting queries. In this example, I'll be moving data from this MySQL database into my PostgreSQL database to build my report. First, we'll need to set up the data import job from the MySQL database to the PostgreSQL database. Go to Manage in the tab, and go to Data Imports, and go to Add New Data Import. Now we can set up the job. We need to give this data import job a name, so let's call it MySQL import. And now, for the import source method, we're going to use database table. And we specify the data source, which is our MySQL database. Now, let's select the table that we would like to import. Once the source has been validated, we can specify the destination we would like to import this table to, which would be the PostgreSQL database. Specify the schema name and the name of the table. Now, let's run this validation of the sync configuration. You can actually change the destination column names and data types here if you'd like. The structure has been validated. We can actually even add a schedule here as well to say when we would like to run this job and how often, perhaps on a daily schedule, or weekly, monthly, or even every few minutes. So let's just set this for now to midnight. And we're ready to run the job. So now, let's pull up this job here. And instead of waiting for it to run at midnight, we're going to just run it right away by pressing execute. You can check the status of your job by going to job history and by refreshing this list. And as you can see, the data input job has executed successfully. So if we go back to import list and click on this destination table, you can see that the data import job has run successfully and moved the table from the MySQL database into our PostgreSQL database. Now that we've moved the data from MySQL over to PostgreSQL, we're ready to build the report by joining the two tables. So go over to Query Editor and specify the data source, which is the PostgreSQL database. And now build your query. As you can see, I've taken two tables, one being the funds table from the MySQL database, as well as this customer table that was in the PostgreSQL database. And I've selected data from both tables that I require. Now, with all the data I require from both tables, I'm ready to save this as a report or to format this as a visualization. So now, all that's left is to save this as a report. Click Submit, and open this in a new tab. And our report's ready. So now we can actually export this as an Excel or CSV, schedule this as an email to send to any recipients that we would like on a frequent basis, or even add this to a dashboard. You can even make this report more complete by adding filters to it and even by using query templates. And that's how you can join two data tables from different databases or data sources together in Holistics. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon. Take care.